Continuing on folio 28 verso, we've had the 5th play, which is a continuation of the 4th. Now we have the 6th, which is a familiar entry if you've studied the sword in one hand. So from the crossing, it seems sensible to me to enter in on this side, and I will get possibly this, familiar from the sword in one hand, but he says if I accrescere, I can get this, which we're going to see again in a minute. So the one that's illustrated is this one, and he says in the text if you accrescere, you can get the ligadura mezzana. So I enter either under the sword like so, or over the sword, doesn't really matter as long as I can clear it. This is the position shown. He doesn't say whether you're going over or under. We've seen over already in the 2nd play. You'd go under if the crossing was a little higher up and it seemed sensible to go underneath. You can get there either way. So as a left-hander, as the crossing occurs here, if I have the inside line, I will get the outside of that wrist, which is a different thing altogether. Yep, I get a different kind of twist, and you wouldn't go for the ligadura mezzana here. So the main difference is you just get the outside. So from here, go reaching over or under, depending on what's convenient. Here we have it. If we're on the other side, again, I'll get the inside this time, but there's no way to get a ligadura here unless I'm going to do that, which is definitely not this play. But simply controlling the sword hand and striking is following the intent of the play, I believe.